Hi, it's Peter Carney of My Food Garden in our patch, and this is the peak of summer now. It's going to be 37 degrees today. You can see this rampant growth in our vegetable garden here as we planted this green manure crop, this here cowpea, which is now a metre high, and we planted it on the 16th of December at a green manure workshop. So the students all understood the process. And they also planted this millet here because there's going to be carrots planted in that space. There are food crops in here, cucumbers, zucchinis there, more zucchinis down there, tomatoes down the back there, turmeric over the back, but lots of bananas, harvesting plenty of bananas, and on that climbing frame there snake beans under the shade cloth, there's basil, lettuce, all sorts of things. So we've got another workshop that relates to planting in late March, and we will have already cut down this green manure. It's going to be cut down in the next 2 weeks, and then by March, the end of March, it'll have all broken down. In fact, the end of February, it will have all broken down into the soil, and all the beautiful carbon and nitrogen and other minerals from the green manure will have broken down into the soil. And so we're having a planting workshop at the end of March into this beautiful soil that's been tuned up by a process that our students planted. So come along to our planting workshop. There'll be a whole lot of techniques about how to plant. See myfoodgarden.com.au workshops. Thanks, Peter Carney.